Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have 2x plus 3 dx. Next, we multiply both sides by number 2. And we have 4x plus 6 dx. That's about on numerator. So this one we change for u. This one we change for du. So we can write into u to the power of negative number 3 du. And we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. Don't forget about number 2 in here. And we put about c. Now, this one is about negative number 2. This one is about negative number 2. 2 divided by 2. Now we have negative sign in here. And we can write into 1 over u square. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have 2x plus 2 dx. Because we don't have number 2 and number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. S plus 1 dx we change for du over 2. The integral of du over u square we change for negative 1 over u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Question number 3. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides. We need to cancel about the square root. And we have u to the power of 4 plus 2. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. Next, we divide both sides by number 4. The square root we change for t. U to the power of 3 du we change for this one. So I will put about 1 over 2 outside. T multiplied by t, we have t square. The integration of t square, we have t to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about c. number 2 with number 3, we have 1/6. About t in here, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.